So 30 degrees colder potentially tomorrow morning in spots than we're looking at right now. It's warm, it's humid. We have that dense fog out there to deal with, and temperature 72 degrees or dew point 70. Pretty muggy out there as we start off our day today with those southerly winds. You can see some of the thick fog from Kenner back to Galliano, Houma area into Belle Chase, as well as over toward Gulfport and Buras. And we do have that dense fog advisory in effect for the South Shore here, St. Tammany Parish and the Mississippi coast. This goes until 9 o'clock. Possibly could be extended depending how quickly the front moves in and how much rain moves in to kind of mix the air up, but at least at this point to at least 9 o'clock. Now temperatures 70 degrees from Hammond there to Slidell. Bogalusa 72, but Macomb down to 61 now. That front has moved through there, but not quite to Baton Rouge where it's 71 degrees. Temperatures still running on the North Shore 10 to 15 degrees warmer compared to yesterday. South Shore about 8 degrees warmer, but when I show you this map tomorrow, 15, 20, 25 degrees colder, maybe 30 degrees colder in a few places, all in the wake of that front. Southerly winds are in place here, but you can see winds are picking up in Macomb right through there. Notice where the winds are kind of converging together. That's where our front is located, and you can see, watch how the winds would definitely increase by lunchtime today. 14 gusting to 25 in Kenner. How about this afternoon? Sustained over 20 miles per hour, gusting to 37 in Kenner, 34 Lakefront Airport, Slidell around 32. How about breezy? Still winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour plus as we head throughout, say 10:30 tonight into tomorrow morning. Still some really windy weather out there, and that's going to put an extra chill into the air. So warming up to about 76 by 11 a.m. Here comes the front. Our chance of rain moves in. Temperatures by 3 o'clock down to 62. There's north winds around 15 with some higher wind gusts. Then overnight tonight, upper 30s to lower 40s on the North Shore, mid 40s on the South Shore. But you factor in those winds, we'll feel like the mid and upper 30s here on the North Shore. 32 in Macomb, about 42 in Kenner, and 40 degrees in Belle Chase by tomorrow morning. Not much in the way of rain at all south of the lake, but pretty good downpours coming in from Amite, Montpelier, back over toward Kentwood and Franklinton this morning. That's out ahead of our front. The front kind of just moving through Macomb, Mississippi, through the Jackson area, and look at snow potentially here trying to fall in the Memphis area, back toward Little Rock and north of Dallas. If you're flying to Dallas today, could get some delays out there at the big airport, so keep that in mind. Once the front passes by, though, that'll happen about midday today. We'll see the rain increasing. Temperatures in the mid 70s today to only mid 50s tomorrow, but those winds will be howling 15 to 25 sustained, gusting to over 30 miles per hour. So here comes the rain as we get to about midday. At about 11:30, still sitting at 76 New Orleans, but 54 in Kentwood. The front moves to the coast. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s by 4 o'clock. By 10 o'clock tonight, pretty good cold rain, 40s and 50s out there. Tomorrow morning, fortunately, by the morning commute time, 7 a.m., the rain is gone. Starting to clear out north of the lake, upper 30s to lower 40s, mid and upper 40s here. A lot of sunshine tomorrow afternoon, but only rebounding there to about the mid 50s. But at least we'll see some sunshine with some cloud cover down along the coastline. And then very cold on Thursday morning, but clouds and rain return later in the day with rain into Friday morning and warming up for the weekend.